My name is Naveen Sani. My roll number is 20QD30006. So the first part I created is the main body. I used the sketch option and I sketched the shape. Then I used the pad option to create this width. Then the second part I created is the barrel. So for making the barrel, I used the sketch option, then revolved it and got this shape. Then I made this cut using this array. I made an array and used the boolean operation of cut to make these cuts. The next part is the magazine part. So for making this part, I made a sketch. Then I used the pad option to create this width. The next part I created is a scope. So for making the scope, I made a sketch of this and I revolved it. Then I made a subtractive loft. You can see that loft in the front part of the scope. Then I also created a pocket in the back side of the scope. Uh, so then I joined it all together. I made an assembly. This is what the assembly looks like. It's a sniper. So then I just gave it some color. So the size is, the length was just 200 millimeter, means it's just 199.1 millimeter, and rest all are less than that. So I imported the STL file to the Cura software, and this is how this Cura software shows. I laid it flat down, and the print settings that I use is draft, it's a 0.2 millimeter thickness, and I use the infill density of 100% and infill pattern of lines, and the printing temperature I used is 200 degrees Celsius, and the build plate temperature is 80 degrees Celsius. Then I used the speed as 60 mm per second. Then I used the adhesion, that is of brim adhesion type for the build plate. Then I sliced it and got the preview. So this is how it shows. Thank you.